How do you greet people? Tashidile? Tashidile. Okay, whatever little bit of Tibetan I know, that's coming handy here. Hey guys, welcome to Desi Girl Traveler and welcome to yet another episode from Tibet. Till yesterday, I was just all over the place and I was new to this place. Although I'm new even today, but I think I have been slight bit comfortable here now. So today onwards, we are gonna do a full-fledged videos. So आज मैं हूँ गिरोंग टाउन में. एक वाइब है इस जगह की. I was just hanging out here last evening. गिरोंग, किरोंग, जिरोंग, ये सारे नाम हैं इस जगह के. तो ये पूरे की पूरे तिब्बत की ट्रिप मैं कर रही हूँ ट्रिप टू टेम्पल्स वालों के साथ, जिनके साथ मैं कैलाश मानसरोवर यात्रा जो एरियल दर्शन किया था मैंने, वो भी कर रखे हैं इस साल ही. Hey, is Tashi, our guide?
Tashidile.
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 मॉनेस्ट्री में हम जाएंगे. मैं इतने सारे मॉनेस्ट्रीज़ में जा चुकी हूँ, इंडिया के, नेपाल के, भूटान के, और हमेशा कहती थी कि ये मॉनेस्ट्री तिब्बत के इस मॉनेस्ट्री जैसा लगता है, तिब्बत के इस चीज़ के जैसा लगता है. कांट बिलीव दैट आई एम एक्चुअली इन तिब्बत. थोड़ी देर में अंदर जाएंगे, बट फर्स्ट वी हैव टू डू सम वॉक्स एंड एन्जॉय द वाइब ऑफ द सिटी. Okay, talking about Girong town, it is 130 kilometers from Kathmandu. Girong is actually a valley and it is also called as the Valley of Happiness, and it's the base of Everest Base Camp. तो यहाँ पे जितने भी लोग एवरेस्ट बेस कैंप देखने जाते हैं, जहाँ कि हम भी जाएंगे, तो गिरोंग उनका फर्स्ट टाउन होता है. What's your name? No. People are very friendly here. वैसे भाषा नहीं समझते हैं, तो इंग्लिश भी नहीं बोलते हैं, हिंदी कहाँ से ही बोलेंगे. यहाँ डिपार्टमेंट स्टोर्स, होटल्स, शॉप्स सब एक जैसे लगते हैं. Like everything is so pretty and organized. We are walking towards a village. What a beautiful scenery. Look at that. Cloud. This side mountain.
Indian movies are very, very popular in here.
Have you watched any Indian movie?
Oh yeah, many.
Can you name a movie for me?
Name, I don't really know in English, but there's one kind of like a little girl,
Okay.
and then she lost in train, right?
Oh yeah,
Yeah, that
Bajrangi
one.
Bhaijaan.
Yeah, that's
With
one. Is
Salman
really,
Khan?
Yeah, Salman Khan. Yeah.
Salman Khan,
That's
okay.
one is really. A lot of people really got really moved and they cried. Actually.
They cried,
Yeah,
okay.
They cried a lot. Yeah.
So we Indians, we expertise in making people cry. We are full of emotions.
Right.
So we make everybody cry through our cinema, through my videos. And what are the other actors you know, Tashi, from Bollywood?
Bollywood, the most famous one is Shah Rukh Khan.
Shah Rukh Khan. Shah Rukh Khan is.
Everybody knows Shah Rukh Khan.
Shah Rukh Khan is very popular across
Throughout
the
the world, right?
Yeah, everybody knows him. So यहाँ थोड़ी सी limitation है कैमरे के साथ, which I'll talk about later. So pretty. I know these trees, pine tree, somsing
Something in Tibetan.
in Tibetan,
language,
somsing.
yeah.
Okay, I learned that. And in Hindi, what do we call?
Cherki Peer.
Yeah.
Yeah, that mountain is see the central one. That one is a Ru Pembar. Ru means mountain in Tibetan language, and Pembar means blazing.
Freezing.
It's kind of like flame,
Okay.
flame of the glorious.
Is it like some holy mountain?
It's a holy mountain, yeah.
Although
Yeah.
all the mountains are holy.
Actually, in Tibet, we have so many different kind of mountains which are holy. A holy mountain, holy rivers, holy lakes. The nature is the holy.
Okay.
It's very important, actually. In Tibet, we have a saying. We say that nature is the most beautiful, nature is the most powerful, and everything comes from nature, everything goes back to nature eventually. So that's the Tibetan saying, and the Tibetan people really, really respect the nature. we're talking about Zanskar, my ancestors from Ladakh,
Yeah.
from Zanskar.
I have been to Zanskar many times.
It's a beautiful valley, right?
Beautiful valley.
I've never been there, but I heard it's very
Okay.
beautiful, original. Yeah.
I'll show you some pictures of
Okay.
your ancestors' birthplace.
Right, right.
Yeah, that's how I learned Tashidele. I learned it in Zanskar.
From Zanskar.
Yeah. Till now, I used to say whenever I used to go to Ladakh, I used to say Little Tibet, Little Tibet.
Okay.
But today I'm actually in Tibet. Guys, now look at this, how beautiful it is. It's like I'm fulfilling all my countryside walk dream. Tashidele! Welcome to Tibet! This side I can see a beautiful waterfall. Like, I'm not a big fan of waterfalls, but इस backdrop पे एक waterfall देखना तो बनता है यहाँ पे. Let's walk there. I mean, if it's on me, I would have, but in Tibet you cannot be on your own. You can't do solo traveling, you can't do individual traveling, and you need to be like attended by a tour guide 24/7. In the sense, आप होटल में हो तो अलग चीज़ है, but जितने भी tourist spots हैं, आपको अकेले जाना allowed नहीं है वहाँ पे. That's honey. ये टेस्टी है. We have reached Kyupu Canyon, and for here you need to have a permit. And like I said, it's not allowed for foreigners to just be here randomly anywhere. We need many permits.
Yeah, foreigners not allowed without permit.
Permit, yeah. Whoa, this is scary. अच्छा, ऐसी जगहों पे आने का एक ही रूल है, आपको नीचे नहीं देखना है, स्ट्रेट देखो और निकलो.
This is a Jipuk bridge. This one is an old bridge. And in the old days, vehicles cannot get through from here. And then only like walking and then motorcycles or, like that. And then that one is new bridge. It is about like 4 or 5 years old. Maybe about 4 years old. That's one, a new one. And then like traditionally, this kind of hanging bridge is very, very popular. A lot of places in Tibet, we have this kind of bridge, hanging bridge. This canyon is a Jipuk Canyon, and it's quite a beautiful place. Because of the clouds, we don't really see, but higher mountains are covered by snow mountains, and then the forest, and then the river. Very beautiful place. And then after this bridge, we go through a small village, which is very beautiful village.
It's actually so deep for me to even stand here and take pictures. It is making me feel so dizzy. So I'd rather cross this bridge and enter the village. Hello. This is very pretty. Some married women, they wear this kind of belt. Silver, very pretty. Thank you. So as a tourist, when you enter the village, you have to do an entry. It's looking so pretty. We entered a छोटा सा कैफे इधर ही गांव में, Tifu village. Yeah, Tifu village. हम यहाँ पे पानी खरीदने आए. Okay, so this bottle costed 3 yuan, which is 36 rupees. That's mushroom, wild mushroom. It's eatable?
Local things, this kind of for medicine.
Okay.
They're using for medicine.
But it's very expensive, I've heard. एक छोटी सी दुकान के अंदर घुस गई मैं फिर से एंड यहाँ पे ये लकड़ी की जो चीज़ें नहीं होती हैं बैम्बू से जो ये सब प्लेटर्स बनते हैं ये बना रहे हैं. This is Tibetan belt.
Yeah, kind of built.
How much do you charge for this?
这个狗木夹住，
80 yuan.
80.
Yeah,
哪有这个？
It's very pretty.
yeah.
Yeah. Two flags here. China ka flag. Then you have prayer flag. Hi. You're very cute. Okay, bye-bye. So now we are walking inside a jungle. एक छोटी सी हाइक करने के लिए जा रहे हैं. ये जो ना याक के गले में जो घंटी बांधते हैं उसकी आवाज़ आ रही है दूर दूर से. आई डोंट नो वो कैमरे पे कितना सुनाई दे रहा है बट वो इतना प्लेजेंट लग रहा है ना. वो ऐसी लॉट में नहीं लोकल्स here. Tashi delay. I like this. Your hair, this is very nice. I have to say this again. People are extremely friendly. बस वो language barrier है तो you can't talk much. But we do understand the language of love, the language of smile. You can understand when the person is being welcoming. Nice cap.
Let's go.
Nice cow.
Oh, let's go.
Okay, from this point we have to take a descent. मतलब नीचे जाना है. काफ़ी नीचे है. You can see prayer flags here. Let's walk. That's the cave. I have to give you guys a little bit of context about this cave, Guru Rinpoche. I have immense faith on two gods, Shivji and Guru Padmasambhava. मेरे words पे मत जाओ, feelings समझो फिलहाल के लिए. So ये इनके केव है. So it was around 7th century when तिब्बत में बुद्धिज़्म बहुत ज़्यादा स्पीड में स्प्रेड हुआ था. And it was Guru Padmasambhava, the Indian master who had spread Buddhism in Tibet, and he was invited here by the king of Tibet. They were dealing with some issues. Ever since I came to know that I am going to Tibet, I was looking forward to seeing this place. So भी थोड़ी सी हाइक करना है, डिसेंड है, फिर ऊपर चढ़ना है, तब जाके हम पहुँचेंगे. Let's go. Going inside the cave, a couple of things here. You don't have to remove your shoes to get inside the cave or any monasteries. Most of the monasteries you allow shoes. Camera is allowed in this one, but otherwise we will have to check. And as a matter of respect, you do not wear any sort of hat, cap or sunglasses. So let's enter the cave.
What we have in Tibet is a monastery. Monastery. Monastery in the right hand, monastery in the left hand, monastery in the front, monastery in the back side. We have so many different kind of monasteries actually. So this one is back to 8th century when Guru Padmasambhava, when he was coming to Tibet, and he come through this way and then spent some time in this cave, and he used to meditate it here. Here the main statue is Guru Rinpoche, Guru Padmasambhava. All these are Barlam offerings, and then up here these bigger ones are water offering. Water offering usually 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 this side, 7 that side. So many different kind of offerings, but among these kind of different offerings, the water offering is the best offering because it's the pure offering. When someone who is offering water, you don't feel anything. It's a pure offering. It's real offering. When someone come with a lot of money or gold and things like treasure things, whenever after you offer, you feel some kind of proud. So that's kind of that kind of offering is good, but with this kind of proud is not really pure offering. So that's why water offering is the best offering. Water offering 7 bowl. This is a symbol of representing of 7 footprint. Like Buddha Shakyamuni Siddhartha, when he was born in Lumbini Park, it says as soon as he was born in the Lumbini Park, he took 7 steps in different directions, and then each footprint grows lotus flower, and these balls are symbol of that his footprint, lotus flower, 7. And then nowadays a lot of people they says newborn baby, it's impossible to walk. It's impossible to walk, walking around. 7 steps. It's a newborn baby. But originally they didn't really understand the behind meaning. Originally, what it says is 2,500 years ago, when he was born. When he was born, there's an Indian ascetic, and he was meditating in a forest, not really near the Lumbini Park. Far from the Lumbini Park. He was meditating. When he was meditating, in his imagination, he saw there's a special baby was born. And then as soon as he was born, he took 7 steps. And then each footprint grows lotus flower. He saw in his imagination. So that's not originally, as soon as he was born, he was walking. That's like 7 steps, or was walking. This kind of talk, this kind of stories about his imagination. That's the offering, water offerings, symbol of that. Lotus flowers.
I still cannot believe my luck that I'm here. I am here in the place where Guru Rinpoche has walked, and he meditated here for such a long time. See, I'm getting goosebumps. This is a moment for me because this is the first holy place I have entered in Tibet. They offered us water. मैं बोला भाई तिब्बत का पानी पीने से मना कैसे कर सकती हूँ मैं? चारों तरफ prayer flags है, prayer flags. खतक, it's an offering. गुरु जी को तो अभी तो मैं वैसे थैंक यू बोलना चाहती हूँ. So you make a knot. Let's try this. Oh, it got. Kashi dile. Kashi dile. Hi. Most hyperactive and cutest dog. Sorry. Ooh. I'm saying only good things about you. So this is the monastery. Mr. Tashi. Hi. So cute. I liked your hat. Camera is not allowed inside this monastery.
We're at the Pakpa Monastery, or Pakpa Nunnery. Actually, it's a nunnery, not a monastery, right?
Yeah.
Nunnery. This temple, there's a main statue, which is Avalokiteshvara. Main material is sandalwood. This temple is back to 7th century. It's almost 1,400 years old temple. Throughout Tibet, this is a very important temple. All over Tibet, like Tibetan pilgrims come to this temple for worship, for praying. Whenever they got here, they take 3 times prostration. Like first they put it here. This one is Om Namo Buddhaya, Namo Dharmaya, Namo Sanghaya. This is like body, speech, mind.
This is also not a monastery, it's a nunnery, and there are 10 nuns now. Earlier in like older times there used to be 6 to 7,000 nuns here, but अभी सिर्फ 10-12 ही रह चुके हैं. मौसम अब ठंडा हो गया, बहुत ज़्यादा हवा चल रही है. Thoroughly enjoying my time in Tibet. आज तो खैर सेकेंड डे ही है. We still have 9 days more. एवरेस्ट बेस कैंप तो खैर हाईलाइट है ही है, जहाँ तो मुझे पहुँचना ही है, बट उसके अलावा भी बहुत सारी चीज़ें. बाय 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 बाय.
Baba, chama baba, citas baba.
Okay guys, spent all day, like entire day exploring Geelong, Geelong town. Back to my room. Okay, they have arranged my bed again. Here is my mess, and this side is again the view. Okay, that's the monastery where we were a while ago. I tried this coffee yesterday. It's super tasty. Nescafe. Coffee is really good. Okay, I know a lot of you have a lot of questions. अब जाके क्योंकि मैं थोड़ा ब्रेक ले चुकी हूँ साइट सीइंग से, so I'm gonna talk to you guys about a couple of things. तिब्बत आने से पहले मेरे दिमाग में बहुत सारे questions थे, बहुत सारे. I was hesitant, I was little nervous. This planning started about a month ago. जब मैं लद्दाख में अपना ग्रुप ट्रिप कंक्लूड कर रही थी, तो मेरे जहन में एक सवाल आया कि काश मैं तिब्बत जा पाऊँ इस साल. एंड साल के शुरुआत में जब मैंने कैलाश पर्वत का एरियल दर्शन किया था, माउंट कैलाश एंड कैलाश मानसरोवर, आई एम टेलिंग यू गाइज, आई हैड विश्ड लुकिंग एट माउंट कैलाश. मैंने शंकर भगवान से विश किया था कि काश आप मुझे इस धरती पे बुला लो. आज मैं सेम कंपनी के साथ यहाँ ट्रैवल कर रही हूँ, विच इज़ अ ट्रिप टू टेम्पल्स. तिब्बत इज़ नॉट अ प्लेस वेयर यू कैन कम अलोन. You need to have a travel agency on board and you need to have a guide on board. उसके बिना आप कहीं नहीं जा सकते हो. Restrictions हैं, limitations हैं, but it is absolutely safe. As I said that I was wrapping up my Ladakh group trips and I got a call from Trip to Temples guys, and they called me and said that we are introducing Tibet EBC trip for Indians, you know, एवरेस्ट बेस कैंप. आप सबको पता है एवरेस्ट बेस कैंप तक जाने के लिए नेपाल से आपको ट्रैक करनी पड़ती है, और बहुत लोगों का सपना होता है वो, लेकिन फिजिकली वो फिट नहीं होता, टाइम नहीं होता, बहुत कुछ. इनफैक्ट इवन आई हैव नॉट डन EBC trek. You know, जब I got to know about it, I was like, oh my god, I really have to go. तो तिब्बत आना इंडियंस के लिए एक ड्रीम के जैसा है. आज से बहुत सालों पहले तक भी लोग तिब्बत आते थे इंडिया से, बहुत सालों तक, कोविड के पहले तक, कैलाश मानसरोवर के दर्शन के लिए. लेकिन अभी उस चीज़ की पॉसिबिलिटी बिल्कुल नहीं है. हो सकता है इस साल हो जाए, आने वाले टाइम में 2025 में, या उसके अगले साल हो जाए, बट फ़िलहाल तो नहीं है. बट इफ़ यू विश टू कम टू तिब्बत, यू कैन डेफिनेटली डू एवरेस्ट बेस कैंप. तो अभी तो मेरी ट्रिप की शुरुआत ही हुई है, लेकिन मैं ये बताना चाहती थी कि ये सबसे बड़ा कंसर्न कि हाउ सेफ इज़ तिब्बत. इट इज़ एब्सोल्युटली सेफ. लाइक यहाँ आने से पहले जो मेरे अंदर इतने सारे सवाल थे ना, आई ओनली नो हाउ मच, लाइक आई वॉन्टेड इट, बट एट द सेम टाइम आई वॉज स्केयर्ड टू get here because of everything I had heard about it. Nobody has given you the right information, trust me. It is absolutely safe. अभी तो मैं बहुत सारे एपिसोड्स बनाऊंगी और आपको दिखाऊंगी कि कहाँ कहाँ में हम जा रहे हैं, क्या क्या कर रहे हैं, इवन साइट सीइंग में क्या लिमिटेशंस है, कौन कौन सी जगह हैं, तिब्बत के लेक्स. I'm just waiting for that. High mountain passes. So now that I'm here, I'm excited. Safety wise, absolutely safe. Locals, very friendly people. They don't understand English or Hindi. Like बहुत कम, थोड़ा बहुत hi, hello type English समझ लेते हैं. But guide, my guide is English speaking guide. So we have good communication going on. And Trip to Temples guys have arranged such a good stay for me. Good hotel, good food, so far all good. And also you need to have group visa क्योंकि that's how they are allowing Indians. But अगर आप अकेले भी हो तो maybe you can contact Trip to Temples. और ऐसे ऐसे बहुत सारे अगर solo travelers होते हैं तो उनको वो क्लब करके जो वीज़ा बनता है वो बनवा देंगे. So when I said you can't travel solo here, in the sense that you can't enter Tibet alone without any travel agency on board. So I hope you got that. बाकी कोई भी सवाल हो तो आप कमेंट सेक्शन में डाल देना. I'll just finish my coffee और इसके बाद I'll take a stroll around the market. बहुत प्यारी जगह है. 2700 मीटर के एलिवेशन पे हूँ मैं. थोड़ी थोड़ी सांस फूल जाती है जब बहुत ज़्यादा फिज़िकली एक्टिव रहती हूँ, इन द सेंस बोल भी रही हूँ, चल भी रही हूँ, शूट भी कर रही हूँ. और कल तो हम 4000 मीटर तक पहुँच जाएंगे. तो ग्रेजुअली वी आर गेनिंग एल्टीट्यूड. So I'm going to the market. It's really cold. I'm in 3 layers now. Wanted to wear my cap, but you know these piercings which I got recently is just hurting way too much. So I'll have to make peace with it. We meet again. Hi. Hi. अभी हम रेस्टोरेंट खोज रहे हैं कि कहाँ जा सकते हैं डिनर करने के लिए. मोस्टली चाइनीज़ रेस्टोरेंट्स या नेपाली रेस्टोरेंट हैं. तो जहाँ तक मिलेगा नेपाली रेस्टोरेंट्स, यू विल गेट दाल चावल, मोमो एंड ऑल. Yeah, vegetarian food so far we have been able to get it. Today is our second day in Tibet. तो अभी तक तो सही रहा है. आगे देखते हैं. Rasua Nepali shop. Let's enter here. Okay, it's a huge department store. Nepali coffee को sachet छ? कता? स्यासे चाहिन्छ कि मलाई. धेरै ठुलो भयो कि जो कॉफ़ी मैं ढूंढ रही हूँ वो तो मुझे मिल नहीं रही है यहाँ पे. Finally we are seeing some fruits. You see all these Chinese biscuits. These are vegetarian? Vegetarian? So everything they are selling it for like 30 yuan per kg. You can mix everything and then buy. ज़्यादा कुछ तो नहीं समझ आ रहा, but I think biscuits are gonna be safe option. Okay, the Lay's, but again don't know. This Lay's is for 8 yuan, 96 rupees Indian. Expensive. Caramelized popcorn for 15 yuan. Okay. Actually मिलने को ना बहुत सारी चीज़ें मिल रही है डिपार्टमेंट स्टोर में, लेकिन पता नहीं वेजिटेरियन क्या है, जैसे इंडिया में या कहीं पे भी ना साइन बना होता है, ग्रीन डॉट इज़ वेजिटेरियन, रेड डॉट इज़ नॉन वेज, बट यहाँ पे कुछ भी वो कॉन्सेप्ट है ही नहीं. सो आई एम रियली डाउटफुल कौन सा वेजिटेरियन है कौन सा नहीं है. So safe option है, you buy fruits and dry fruits. Okay guys, so got back to my room and I have to say good night to all of you. We will start with a new vlog tomorrow. So tomorrow we have pretty long journey. 7 से 8 घंटे की drive है, then we have a few places for sightseeing and then we are gaining altitude tomorrow to sleep well tonight. So I'll see you guys in the next vlog. और वीडियो के डिस्क्रिप्शन में ट्रिप टू टेम्पल्स की सारी डिटेल्स हैं. You guys can just contact them for the same itinerary for exploring Tibet. I'll see you guys in the next episode. Until then.